Sanaya, Lieutenant,
Yes.
why are you on safety patrol?
So I can help my community.
And what are some of the great things about being on safety patrol?
You get to see the smile on people's faces when
Why do they smile? Because you say good morning?
yeah, and the kids are excited to see us.
That's nice. And what are some of the challenges that you face?
It could be dangerous.
What makes it dangerous?
When you're not paying attention, you can get seriously hurt.
Oh, so you got to always be on point. All right. Thank you, Lieutenant.
You're welcome.
Ready, salute. Perfect.